In this video, I'll be using a real account that I have specifically for training purposes. You'll see actual trades done in real time with real money. Everything was recorded live as it happened. So strap yourself into your beanbag chair and let's get started. Okay, we're still rocking and rolling here with our British pound Australian dollar pair. As you can see, we made a couple of runs back up here. I didn't add any more to my position. I was actually on the phone with tech support about a software problem I've been having. But anyway, we're still short our 400. Here's our break-even line. Here's our buyback line, or our purchase order that we have in. Also, our British pound Mexican dollar here. I put in an order up here, and of course, as you know, it happens to me so often, I missed it by a half a pip. I had an order in there to sell another 100,000 up here. Darn if I'd missed it by a half a pip. So our break-even line is right here on this trade. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to go ahead. This is, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this thing. I'd like to bring this break-even line up. I want to obviously get below it and into a profit, but I'm not certain if this thing's going to have enough steam to get back all the way down in here. So I'm tempted to cover half of these, our 200 right here, or 100 of them or something, and then sell again higher. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy half of those back right there in the anticipation of possibly being able to sell higher and continue to ratchet our break-even line up so that we can get into some profit zone, hopefully. Back to this. Just kind of mealing around here. Here's what, well, that's what everything else looks like. Selling off. British pound broke out of that congestion. This is a long-term support line on a daily chart, by the way. So we're below it, just like all the other currencies. South is the direction. Euro hitting the skids big time. Down 161. Might be noteworthy to take a look at a long-term chart here. How do you like that channel? Might as well extend it down, huh? Bing, bing, bing. Pretty reliable, that channel. At least it's been that way. Very nice. Whoops. Okay, let's get back to it. All right. There's our channel line way up there, if you can see that, and way down here. So, you know, the swimming across the channel's got a lot of room. You just send in Cool in the gang to tell them to sell. Either that or call Winthorpe. Yeah, it's Friday. All right. Where are we at? We got a buy order in at 48.5. We're 57.5 by 59, 57, 56, 56.5, 58, 57. And we're in at 48.5 right here. All right, nothing else to report. So I shall return in a moment. Okay, we just got filled on our British pound Australian dollar right here. See, we have a zero position. We bought them at 48.5. So that closes that out. So that's our second trade today in the British pound Australian dollar. Two winners. Let's go over here. Let's see. Our other existing trade is this Mexican peso, this British pound Mexican peso. I need to come up with a Catchy name for that. Cable Mex. There we go. There's probably a company in Mexico that does cable TV. It's called Cable Mex. Like Cemex for cement. Anyway, so here we are. We got a buy order in here. Remember, what we're trying to do is we're short 400. We're trying to buy back 200 of those and then sell them higher. Our buy is right here at 8.15, so 15.1. Always do that. I know what I'm talking about, though, believe me. Okay, then, I'm going to pause, and we'll look around for some more trades. We just bought our 200 back in the Mexican peso, the pound peso, right here. This is our break-even line. Currently, what we want to do is, well, we want to sell those again. Got an order right here. That's what I want to do. There we go. All right. If we keep going down, I guess we could buy those 200 back. It might turn into 400. If it does, we'll change our order. Okay, we've got that in. That's set. I'm going to go look for some more trades. All right, we're going to sell some yen. Right there. Ding. There we go. All right, we're short 400 of those. Is that right? Yep. Our poundage here. We traded that already once this morning, remember? Haven't traded it yet. It's a good opportunity, though, right through there, wasn't there? I was busy with those other two trades and tech support. Oh, well. Might get back in there. Okay, so we have our two trades on. Still, we got our Mexican peso, or British pound, Mexican peso, pound peso, and pound yen right here. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, you know what? I've decided this is our British pound Japanese yen's been hanging around here longer than I thought it would after it retraced this. You know, we went down then came back. I thought we were going to head right back down. We're finally going down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and cover this thing because it's not doing what I anticipated, so I don't want to hang around in it any longer. So there we go. Took those out of there. All right, so now we got a zero position. So we've had two trades in the Japanese yen for a total of 49,600 yen. So we have one trade. Look at our trade log. There's our trade log for today. This is all the Australian dollar trade. This is the Japanese yen trade. This is the Mexican peso trade so far. This is the British pound trade, the British pound trade. Sorry. And these are currency conversions right here. These last two, sold and bought, these are actually just a currency conversion, not so is this top one, this 3K. So you can take a snapshot of that if you want to. Verify all that from my trading screens that you've been seeing if you want to. We have an open trade right here, which is the, well, let's look at it down here. It's easier to see. British pound, Mexican peso. So our pound peso trade still open. Got an additional buy order in here. Sell order, I'm sorry. I got an additional sell order up here. This is our buy order to cover our existing position. This is our break-even line. So we are in a little bit of a loss here, but not much. So that's what we have going on at the moment. So we'll return shortly. Okay, so it's 1:45 in the afternoon on Friday the 13th. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close down the recording for today. I wanted to just recap what we've done. Up here in the top left is our chart of the British pound Mexican peso. We had two trades, both winners, a total of $715. Right below that we have the British pound Australian dollar. We had two trades, both winners, made $836. And in the top right we had one trade in the British pound USD, one trade for a profit of $1,715. And then we have one trade in the British pound Mexican dollar, and that's still open down here in the bottom right. I think I said Japanese yen up here instead of Mexican, didn't I? Okay, well anyway, the top left is a Japanese yen, British pound. The bottom right is our trade that's still open. That's the British pound Mexican dollar. And you can see we're right here. We've got another order in over here to sell a little bit higher. Our break-even point is right below where the market's at right now. So that's what we had. We've had 6 trades total. 5 of those were winners, and one of those is still open, which we're going to work. For those of you who are not in the FX trading room and you're watching this video after the fact, if you'd like to see how this open trade turns out, you'll have to go to our website at optionelements.com, and you can see how the trade ended. Also, check out our subscription for our trading room. If you'd like to be able to trade with Tony, that's me. If you'd like to be able to trade along and be live with this action, go to our website at optionelements.com. So you've seen the currency trading videos, and you're still wondering if those trades are real. You may also be wondering if I only record the good ones and conceal the losing trades. Well, my friend, I can assure you that the trades are real, and I do have some losing trades, just like every trader does. What you see in these videos, however, was recorded live as it happened. Do you think you could benefit by participating live while our trades are happening? Maybe you're an options trader like myself who wants to supplement their income by day trading. Or maybe you realize that there are times when your option positions need no adjustments at all, and you want to trade some other instruments. Or perhaps you're a futures trader who is interested in Forex trading, or maybe you're just a trader who wants to become more consistent. Do you like the idea of not having to hold positions while you're sleeping? Well, I'd like to invite you to come trade with Tony, that's me, and join the FX Elements trading room today. The trading room operates 4 days a week, and you log on live where everything is done in real time. I'll see you on the inside.